Hello, I'm Fabiana. I'm an international student from Ecuador. I study computer science here in Emmen, and today you're gonna come with me and see what a day in my life is like. So I started my day by letting some of the light in, and then I headed to the kitchen to do my breakfast: yogurt, strawberries, oats, and a drizzle of honey on top. Yeah, now that I'm all fueled up, I got dressed and I'm ready to head out. Biking to uni is one of my favorite parts of the day. It's like kind of like a mini workout, but it's also like a chance to like enjoy the fresh air. I got to uni early, so I was able to go and grab one of my coffees with some of my friends. And after I headed to my class, which was Atelier, I only had one class today, and I worked on one of my Arduino projects. And I wanted to keep a straight face in this video, but someone burned a resistor. After class, me and my friends biked together to the supermarket to grab a few things. Yeah, it's really nice to run errands together. Then I just biked back home and got started with my lunch, and I made one of the most basic college meals, which is nuggets and fries in the air fryer. Lifesaver. Today we're gonna have the international party, so that's what I'm changing into. Then some of my friends came over and we all painted our face with like our flags. Yeah, so here's how like all of my outfit turned out, with the Ecuador flag, my soccer shirt and everything. And after this we just headed out. Yeah, now we're all biking together through the city center to get to the cafe where the party is taking place in. And I just have to say that I love how Emmen's decorated in the evening. Once we got to the place, the first thing we did was like kind of like a pop quiz. They asked different questions about different countries and stuff, and guess what? Our team won. After that, we got to try a bunch of different dishes from different cultures. Everything was really good. And after the dishes, we had dessert from also different countries, and here's us rating them.
Rate it from 1 to 10.
8. Malaga.
Malva. This is Malva.
Malva.
We're gonna try it. We already tried it.
But it couldn't be a party without dancing, so of course we did that next. And after all that, I had to bike back home. Of course tired, but happy after such a fun night. So now I'm back home and I'm just gonna go to sleep. So pressing the flag came out pretty easily. But yeah, I really had a lot of fun filming this, and I hope you guys had fun watching this. And I look forward to seeing you guys next year here at NHL. Bye.